PBBM responds to FPRD's revelations about the BICAM report.
He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie. I was watching the news earlier today and people were saying it's 4,000 pages. Paano namin ibubusisiin yan? Ang ganito, para titignan namin isa-isa. Hindi na lang. Meron namang kopya that's available on the website of BBM. Tignan ninyo, huwag na ninyo busisiin isa-isa. Hanapin nyo yung sinasabi nila na blank check. Tignan ninyo kung meron kahit isa.